Hey everybody, got the old Mongo man out here in the shop this morning. It's Saturday morning, about 11 o'clock. Got the fire going. Went inside, did some laundry for the wife. Well, not for the wife, for all of us. Obviously, we kind of try and share all those duties, but now we're out here in the shop. KJ is off buying a gooseneck trailer, and we've got somebody coming later today to pick his cab up. So I need to get the steering column out of it, so he can sell that. The steering column is sold, and then I believe he sold the cab and all of its contents on their own. So I need to get the steering column out of here and then clean this up, get all my tools out of it, and start putting some stuff away here in the shop. It's better than it was, but it still needs some work. So, all right, let's get busy here. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is now about 2:30 here, Saturday afternoon, and we got some of the garage cleaned up, read through some stuff, and we got the dash out of this parts cab. I got a whole pile of stuff here that I'm going to go put on eBay: a radio, a couple modules, the HVAC control. There's what's left of the dash. Gonna leave that all together. And here is what's left of the cab. This cab isn't in terrible condition. I've seen a whole lot worse before, but as what it is right now, it is a parts cab. So if you need a cab that's not terrible, it does need a little bit of work, this could be you. I thought this ashtray was fun. I don't believe that ashtray's ever had anything in it, not even any change. So yep, that's it. I think that's about all I'm going to take off of that dash. I'll probably take that big aluminum chunk off of there, and we will scrap that out. The rest of that is all plastic and wires. If you need some pieces and parts, we did get the steering column out like we talked about earlier. It's sitting over there, ready to go. And that's it. This is one done rig. All right, I'm gonna get the heat shut down here, head to the house, get some stuff listed on eBay, and then get cleaned up because we have another competition to get to way over in Penn Trafford. So we'll be going up through the city and checking that out. KJ and Fetty are off getting another truck. I believe they're getting an 80 F250 two-wheel drive this time. 351 400 with a 4-speed in it, so that's going to be another parts truck. Some things on there KJ wants for the Clifford build, but as for what I need, I don't know. We'll see what it is. One other thing I did today, and I wanted to show everybody this. Whenever I tear these trucks apart, we save all of the bolts. We put them in these black containers, and this is what you end up with. So this is all door hardware, this is dash hardware, this is frame stuff, front end, and I think this is front end stuff as well, like fender bolts and things like that. But what's nice about that and putting them in these containers like this is if you ever need one, you need to go back and get something, a special little screw. Let's say, how about one of these guys? If you're a Ford owner and you have the plastic inner fenders, you'll know exactly what that is. So it's nice to have that stuff laying around. All right, so that's definitely going to be it here. Like I said, headed back to the house, going to get some stuff listed on eBay and then get cleaned up and head on out. All right, thanks for watching. Mongo Man's out.
Fluid did it leak everywhere?
Tranny.
Oh, it's a Holy frame.
Rip that out.
Whenever I get connected Wi-Fi, I'll send you those videos.